Couple communication is a program that helps develop healthy ways of relating to your partner. It gives you tools to use, and then it implements it within a process that's proven to help resolve issues, work through conflict, and do life better together.
Yeah, I would say this program really brings connection to a relationship. It just really helps you to understand really how to get underneath what's being said and really help to understand really what is going on with the person that you're talking with.
We use visuals as well because, we come into a relationship with a current operating system, and so if we find tools that aren't serving us well, we want to replace them with new tools. And these mats give us certain tools or a new operating system, if you will, that allows us to communicate in what we found in our own relationship and in the couples that we work with, a better way to communicate. In every relationship, every couple that we work with, when they're on the mats, there's always the light bulb moment where, wow, I didn't know that that's what you thought. I didn't know that's how it made you feel. I didn't know that's what you wanted. And it's in those moments that it changes the trajectory of how they communicate and relate to each other.
Yeah, we've had a lot of couples that have told us, I wish I had learned this early on in our marriage.
What we want to do is train up and develop the ability for folks to work through issues on their own, as opposed to have to go and have someone else try to tell you what's going on, because we know our relationship best. Mm-hmm. And if we can develop the skills that allows us to maintain the health and the connection, then why do I need a counselor in that particular situation?